What's up, G-Bays? We back.
Hey, yo.
We just ran to
Trying KFC.
New chicken wings.
New look. I think you get 6 pieces
Six
for
or
like
12,
$7.49 or 12 pieces for like $15.
Yeah. And then they got a 20 piece as well, y'all, just in case. But them hoes fire. They definitely good.
And definitely about a 10 out of 10 for them KFC.
These better.
I ain't gonna lie.
And Popeye's ghost pepper. No
Popeyes, they don't go wild.
You
know what? KFC on your ass like this, boy. I mean, seasoning and all.
Crisp
Crisp, seasoned. It don't taste like KFC regular chicken. This tastes like... But yeah, y'all. Them bitches valid as hell.
We're going to come in. I'm going to review these with y'all real quick while.
We also got some
Rockies close pizza.
Rockies. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Get in on it. Get in on it. Shit, might as well take a bite for y'all with that too. I'm gonna do this one for y'all. You know. I don't really care for all that goddamn pizza sauce sometimes.
10 out of 10 of them drunk.
We got 2 blunts and an ass shake. We really just woke up from a little nap, G.
Yes, y'all. I just hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Oh, and we got coupons in this bitch.
You gotta turn them post notification bells on so y'all notified every time we drop. Don't walk and don't speed walk. Y'all motherfuckers better jetty.
Run to them wings.
All gas, no motherfucking brakes to KFC to get them motherfucking wings.
Let us know y'all opinion on some real shit.
Period. We love y'all. Y'all.
Holla back.